Hello students, Ms. Deepa here. Let's go through a brief description of pre-class activity. To start with, we can watch a YouTube video of how to draw or paint Starry Night. And then we can explore the real painting using Google Arts and Culture. You can zoom in and see augmented reality picture. This is how the real painting is. You can see the cracks. This is a real classic painting. Okay, to learn further more about Starry Night, all the 6 teams are supposed to take a quiz before trying hands-on practice. So let me show how to play the quiz in Kahoot. Game pin loading. Okay, 872. Let's give a nickname. There are total 8 questions to attend. Okay, who created the painting Starry Night? The answer is Vincent van Gogh, so you have to choose it here. Next. Now the second question. In which year did Van Gogh paint Starry Night? It's 1889, so the answer is here. A few more questions. Yes, it's true. Okay, ultramarine and cobalt. So yes, this is how you attend the questions before you try the hands-on practice. Okay, so yeah, done.